What's the meaning of cock teaser? Cock teaser. Cock teaser.
Cock teaser. Cock teaser. Cock teaser is a derogatory slang term used to describe a person, usually a woman, who purposefully leads someone on sexually without any intention of following through. The person might flirt, dress provocatively, or engage in suggestive behavior to get attention or validation from others, but they have no genuine interest in pursuing a sexual relationship. This term implies that the person is manipulative and insensitive to the other person's feelings, and it can be offensive and degrading. Using this term to describe someone is disrespectful and objectifying, and it perpetuates harmful gender stereotypes.